Hi guys, in this video we're going to explore the fundamental theorem of group homomorphism, which is one of the central theorem in abstract algebra. So the theorem states that if phi is a group homomorphism from G to H, then there exists an isomorphism from the image of phi to the quotient group of G by the kernel of phi. Okay, we prove this by letting delta to be a relation from the image of phi to the quotient of G by the kernel of phi. A delta is defined by delta maps the image of G under the mapping phi to the left coset of the kernel of phi by G. Now let's show that delta is a well-defined mapping. So let's G and K be elements of G such that phi G equals phi K. So this implies that GK inverse is an element of the kernel of phi, and so the left coset of the kernel of phi by G equals to the left coset of the kernel of phi by K. And so the image of phi G and phi K under the mapping delta is the same. Now to show that delta is an homomorphism, let phi G and phi K be an element of the image of phi. Then the image of phi G, phi K under the mapping delta equals the image of phi GK under the mapping delta, since phi is a group homomorphism. So this equals G plus K plus the kernel of phi. That is the left coset of the kernel of phi by GK. So this equals the sum of the left coset of the kernel of phi by G and the left coset of the kernel of phi by K, which equals delta phi G, delta phi K. So delta is an homomorphism. So let's show that delta is a monomorphism, that is delta is 1-to-1. So let phi G and phi K be elements of the image of phi such that the image of phi G and phi K under the mapping delta are the same. So this implies that the left coset of the kernel of phi by G equals the left coset of the kernel of phi by K. And so GK inverse the element of the kernel of phi, and so phi G equals phi K. So delta has been shown to be an monomorphism. Now let's show that delta is an epimorphism or onto. So let G plus the kernel of phi be the left coset of the kernel of phi by G, be an element of the quotient of G by the kernel of phi. Then phi G is an element of the image of phi, which is obvious, and delta phi G the left coset of the kernel of phi by G. So delta will be shown to be an epimorphism, and so delta is an isomorphism. So delta is an isomorphism from the image of phi, which is the quotient of G by the kernel of phi. So thanks for watching. Bye.